part 2 of the bunch of light glow products. Contour 1. Watching the product come up through the little tube is so satisfying to me. It's probably just me thing. Anywho, we are adding 3 dots to the forehead and 2 dots to my cheeks. This blends out really seamlessly. Stamping notes on. It's a nice cool tone, so it really is the perfect contour shade. Side note, I really love this applicator. Highlighter. Again, this is super satisfying. A little bit to the tops of the cheekbones here. Use my finger to blend. And same thing on the side. Blend. A little tip for my oily girlies. We're going to use this Pro Perfect Oil Control Multitasking Setting Spray. Apply this right after I apply cream products. Under eye, dark pink on the outer edge of the eye, dark pink close to the inner corner of the eye. Making a little gradient under eye look here. To add some more depth, I'm going to start brown in with the edge of the eye where that wing is. Finally, the light pink close to the inner corner. Bottom lash line. Since the under eyeshadow is done. I know some people don't apply mascara to the bottom lashes, but I always do. I just feel like it helps to complete the look. What we've all been waiting for, the final look. Do you guys like natural glam looks or not? Let me know in the comments.